We'll start with the call of the docket in terms of first case the court's going to call is Baxter County case CR-2016-402, State of Arkansas versus Lindsay Partee. Court is making the appointment of the Public Defender's Office to represent Ms. Partee. Partee is for arraignment on a charge of forgery in the second degree, a Class C felony. On those charges, how does Ms. Partee now plead?
Your Honor, she enters a plea of not guilty.
I'm glad I can speak for myself.
I'm sorry?
I said I'm glad I can speak for myself. I wanted to plead guilty to this charge.
No, you don't. Not today.
Well, Ms. Partee, the whole reason we appoint an attorney is to make sure you're fully informed of the consequences of anything you say or do in court. And at this point, I wouldn't accept a plea of guilty from you without first being assured you had thoroughly discussed it with your attorney. So, court's going to enter the plea of not guilty, and you need to, at this point, talk to your attorney. This matter is on the Division 4 docket. Are we? Yes, scheduling. What the court's going to do is set it by scheduling order. I'm putting it down at this time for a trial date in the week of June 26th of 2017. A pretrial date will be set for May 18th of 2017, and the defendant will be ordered to reappear to check on the status of the case on April 20th of 2017. All those dates will be set by scheduling order.
Okay, sir, I have a holdout of another county in a different state.
Yes.
That's why I was trying to get this taken care of so I could go there, because this is all that is holding me here.
Okay. Well, this matter will need to be addressed.
Your Honor, I think we can bring her over, and speaking just briefly to Mr. Etheridge, we may be able to dispose of her this afternoon.
All right. Well, I'm going to give you that opportunity then to discuss it with your attorney. Mr. Cooper's been appointed to represent you. I'll direct that you be brought over for this afternoon session of the court. We'll take your matter up this afternoon, and we may well be able to dispose of it, but only after you've had an opportunity to discuss it with your attorney. All right?
Thank you.
You may be excused. 2016-398, State of Arkansas versus Bambi Hogan. Court is making the appointment of the Public Defender's Office to represent Ms. Hogan. She's for arraignment on charges of possession of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, Class D felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class A misdemeanor, shoplifting, a Class A misdemeanor. On those charges, how does she now plead?
Your Honor, she enters a plea of not guilty to all charges.
Plea of not guilty is noted on the record.
Your Honor, I'd ask that she be brought over this afternoon also.
All right. Well, once again, this is a case that's on the Division 4 docket, so I'm going to direct a scheduling order be entered, setting it for trial in June of 17, a pretrial May 18th of 17, and for a reappearance on April 20th, 17. All of those dates will be in a scheduling order. Once again, I will direct that she be brought over this afternoon, and we'll review her case after she's had a chance to meet and talk with her attorney.